Hello, I'm Funda Lena. Welcome to ArtEnpreneur. You might be very good at producing and performing your art. Maybe you're a musician. You have great songs and a very beautiful voice. But you look at the industry and musicians much more mediocre than you are far more popular. Maybe you're a writer. Books by those who can't write as well as you sell more than yours do. Maybe you're an actor. While you wait at home, actors with half your talent are getting great offers. There could be various reasons for all this, but one of the main ones is that you're missing something in how you handle your career. No matter how talented you are or how high your level of artistic competence is, unfortunately, it's not enough to succeed in today's conditions. In addition to all these talents, you also need to manage your art correctly. I'm an artist. I should only focus on my art. Others should handle the rest for me. I can almost hear you say. But unfortunately, competition in all art sectors has increased so much, there are so many good artists, that there aren't enough art managers for everyone. Therefore, at least in the early stages of your career, it's a necessity for you to learn to manage your own business. ArtEntrepreneur is an educational platform born exactly from this necessity. We provide artists with skills beyond the production and performance of art through training prepared by our expert instructors. Our goal is for the artists who take our training to climb the ladder of success step by step. On this platform, we have career management training for 5 branches of art. In music, cinema, theater, literature, and visual arts, from branding to digital marketing, copyright law to resource development, you can find training on every topic you need. Also, you can always reach out to us for your questions, requests, and suggestions. We are here to accompany you on your career journey. I hope to see you very soon.